Hey guys, Kim Bear with WildMyChild.com, and wanted to share a really exciting piece of week 4 of our workshop. So in week 4, we are creating videos for someone else. And that's primarily what we do. I mean, we create them for our families and our kids, but we also create them for other families. And so we created a video. It was actually a photographer promo video for Marcy Reef, who is a fellow Clickin' Mom. She actually flew all the way from Atlanta to Kansas and spent the weekend with us. And we made this amazing video as a promo video for her business. And we went through all of the steps that we are teaching, including trying to figure out what she really wanted to communicate in her video. So in week 4, we are going to pull back the veil and break down what stabilizer we used, why we chose these shots, the location, the song, and really help you to conceive of how all the pieces work together. Because I think once you understand how the pieces work together, you can figure out how to make them for yourself really easily. But I think it's really exciting for you to see how we made it. And then when we're at Clickaway, we're actually going, because the last week of our workshop is when Clickaway is. So maybe we'll get to see some of you all there. That would be super cool. But we get to interview Marcy and sit down with her and get her take on the whole process of working through video. Because sometimes hearing again from the customer or the client helps you to understand how you as the creator can do it really, really well. So we hope that you join our workshop so you can get that information, can see how it all goes together, kind of get the behind the scenes sneak peek. And yeah, that would be super, super cool. So below is the video that you can watch that we made for Marcy. So again, our workshop begins on the 22nd of January, which is not too long from now. And we know this is a busy time. We hope that you take the time while it, for some of you, is cloudy and cold to learn a new skill. So then when it gets beautiful, you can start to take videos of your kids outside, of your clients, all of that good stuff. So we hope you join us. The link to register is also somewhere here, probably above me. But we hope that you join us. And yeah, awesome. Thanks, guys.